Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this makeup look I have on. So if you want to see how I achieve it, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my face makeup, and for that I'm using my oil block mattifier for my primer. I already did my moisturizer off camera. For the primer I'm applying that using a dual fiber brush. So I'm applying the primer basically in my T-zone area. These are the areas where I get oily the most throughout the day. I'm also going to apply that on my smile lines. So for foundation I'm mixing two shades so as to get my perfect shade. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, the shade Cappuccino, and I'm also using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade Amber. Whenever I mix these two together I always get my perfect shade. I always take about 2 pumps of the NYX and then 1 pump of Amber. So yeah, I'm blending out the foundation using the foundation brush, and then after that I'm going to go into concealer. And for concealer I'm using the Colourpop no filter concealer in the shade medium dark 42. So this is going to give me a very neutral, a very chill, toned down highlight. I didn't want anything overboard because basically I'm not going anywhere. I'm just at home doing my makeup. So yeah. So guys, I'm going in with the Nuban Beauty blender to blend out the foundation. The beauty blender is damp. I always like to go in with a little bit of concealer on my beauty blender so as not to take away from the concealer I already have applied underneath my eyes. And I also like to leave the concealer to dry down a little bit more so that it can give me a fuller coverage than what I have. Whatever is left on my beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead to apply that all over my eyelid. So next I'm going to contour my face to bring back a little bit of structure. And I'm using the Nuban Beauty concealer in the shade 047. So once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to set all the areas where I apply concealer. Basically, I'm going to set all of my face. I'm going to set the concealer, I'm going to set the foundation, and I'm also going to set the areas where I applied contour. So guys, for setting powder, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You guys know I already rave about this setting powder in like most of all my videos, but sometimes I like to switch it up. But I really love this setting powder just because of how yellow it is, the undertone of the powder basically. So once I'm done setting the whole areas where I applied concealer and also reverse contouring, I'm going to go ahead to set all the areas where I apply contour. And for that I'm taking that powder, that shade of powder from J Cosmetics 6-in-1 pressed powder palette to give a little bit of structure and dimension to my face. So guys, moving on to my eye makeup, I'm going into the J Cosmetics Yessy palette, and I'm picking up those two shades. They're like deeper variations of pink. So I'm picking up the lighter shade first on a small tapered blending brush. So I'm going to apply this all over my transition area, and I'm also going to apply that into my crease. So basically I'm just going back and forth all over my transition area with that shade, using windshield swiper motion to blend out the shade. So yeah, once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm picking up the deeper pink shade. Now for this, I'm going to concentrate this mainly at the outer V of my eyes and also into my crease area. So I'm concentrating that shade, packing it up until I'm satisfied with how the pigmentation of that shade is on my lid. So yeah, I'm also blending that out on an angle with another small tapered blending brush. So once I'm satisfied with how the shade is, I'm going to move on to cutting the crease. But right now you just want to keep blending until you like how everything looks. When there are no harsh lines and everything looks fine, then we can move on to cutting the crease. So next guys, I'm going to go in to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, you guys already know the staple I use. I have like a particular flat brush I always go in with to cut my crease. And I'm also using my concealer from Colourpop, the no filter concealer in the shade medium 38. So once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go in to blend out the outer edges just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And to blend out the outer edges of the cut crease, I'm going to go into the palette, the J Cosmetics palette, and I'm picking up that deeper pink shade, and I'm just using the same brush to blend it into the concealer. So now I'm picking up those two shimmer shades and also that matte shade. So these are all going to be the shades I apply all over my lid area. So I'm first going to apply the deeper shade, which blends in perfectly with the color I applied on the outer V of my eye, the matte pink color, which is deeper. And then I'm going to pick that lighter pink shade also, and then I'm going to apply the matte shade all over the inner corner of my eyes, basically the beginning part of my lid. So guys, right now I'm just finishing up with this eye. Now I'm going to go off camera to repeat the same process, the same thing I did on this eye on the other eye, and I'm going to be back. So yeah, I'm back now. So basically I'm just going to go ahead to dust off this excess powder I used in baking and the one I used in picking up any fallout I might have gotten from blending out the eyeshadows. So guys, I'm going in with a flat definer brush, and I'm using that to pick up the deeper shade I applied all over my crease area and the outer view of my eyes. I'm blending that out beneath my lower lashes. So now I'm picking up the shade Neutral from the J Cosmetics 6-in-1 Pressed Powder Palette, and I'm going to use this to set the entire makeup on my face, and also I'm going to apply some of the powder all over my neck just to make sure that everything is one. There are no different colors. So next, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray to set all of my face makeup. And you guys know I always like to go in with my highlighter immediately I set my face makeup, because I always like the highlighter to melt into my skin. So basically guys, you always want to go in when your skin is still a little bit damp from your setting spray. It just allows your highlighter to blend better into your skin. It gives it one, the highlighter just melts perfectly well. So now for my lip, I'm going to use the Davis pencil in number 18. This is the pencil I use for my brows. You can use it for your brows and you can use it for your lips also. So yeah, I'm going to use this to line my lips and also fill in the corners of my lips. And then for my lipstick, I'm going into the XOXO lip gloss from Zaron Cosmetics. This is in the shade Coco. So yeah, basically I just apply this all over my lips, blend everything together, and that's it guys. We're done with this makeup look. Yeah, so now I'm just going to go off camera to apply my wig, and I'll be back to close out this video. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. If you're not yet subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. All the list of the products I used in achieving this look will be down in the description box down below. Stay safe guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.